been a while. If you've been here for a long time, you know this space used to be about the hustle, the challenges, and the daily noise. But lately, silence has felt more important than noise. I took a break to reconnect with myself. I found myself drawn to philosophy, learning how to untangle my thoughts. And I realized something amazing while I was working on my crafts. I realized that untangling a knot in a rope is exactly like untangling a knot in your mind. It requires patience. It requires focus. We aren't just living life, we are crafting it. Like a DIY project, we get to choose the design. So, I am changing the direction of this channel. Welcome to Crafting Life with Mrs. T. The DIYs are staying, but now they have a purpose. Moving forward, this channel explores the connection between our hands and our heads. We will do mindful crafts to relax the body, and we will explore life philosophy to calm the mind. Think of it as a quiet corner of the internet where we can slow down together. I'm so excited to start this journey with you. Whether you are an old friend or a new subscriber, welcome! Tell me in the comments, what is one creative hobby that helps you relax? I'll see you in the next video. Let's craft a beautiful life.